I don't know about you, but when these U.S. General mini toolboxes came on the scene, I was really intrigued by them, and I recently bought one, and I use it actually for my auto mower line repair kits. You know, the wires and the pliers and the connectors and the underground detector. All that will fit right in this box. It's a specialized use. It's easy for me to find. This thing is a deal at $19.99, but if you happen to pick it up, they'll put it on sale probably at least once a quarter. As I film this, it's $15.99 with a super coupon. And as you can see, it does come in 6 colors: the red, black, blue, light green, purple, and the slate gray is shown on the screen there. I do really enjoy mine, so I just wanted to show just a few uses just to, get your mind thinking about it a little bit. The slate gray, use it for an electrical repair kit, just something quick to go to. You don't have to worry about trying to dig through drawers. You can keep your outlet testers in there, your wire nuts, your Wago connectors, your wire nuts, your quick cut pliers, your lineman's pliers, your strippers. I mean, it's got the 2 drawers and the top box there. So it's quite a deal, and it holds quite a bit. And if it's specialty items, it makes it really easy to find on your shelf in your workshop. The electronic soldering kit. So I don't know where you keep your soldering gun. I don't use mine that often, but when I do, I have to dig around till I find it. It's not in the location by itself. Hey, for less than 20 bucks, I can give it its own spot, put the soldering in there and the flux and all the various tools I might use right there with it. Super use of the product. How about a hardware organizer just for your bolts, nuts, washers, cotter pins, roll pins, machine screws? You just fab you up a little inexpensive divider there, and you can most likely pick those up at like Dollar Tree or something. But if not, it's not hard to make you a little grid there to hold your various parts, and you still got the 2 drawers open for anything else, or the bigger, longer bolts and screws to go with those nuts. How about a general hand tool kit? You'd be surprised how many tools you can get in this. You can get you a small hammer in there, various sets of pliers. I think I've got 8 or 9 in one drawer on mine. Screwdrivers, adjustable wrenches. You can get sockets set in here. So this toolbox holds quite a bit. But if you want to be specialized like I am, you'll do it with the various single source things. But some people, this is all they need in the house. So this is a general, just basic hand tool kit. It'll hold probably everything you need. How about the precision measuring kit? Where do you keep your specialized instruments? Some of these things cost you quite a bit, and if they're left in the wrong spot, they're going to get damaged. So this little inexpensive box allows you to keep those handy right where you can find them. And if you're using them like I'm showing them here in color-coded boxes, you'll know which box to go to even. How about the robotic mower perimeter repair kit? I mentioned that. I do use this. It's got the, my stakes in it to hold the wire down, the waterproof connectors, the strippers, the side cutters, test leads, and of course the broken wire finding kit is also in there. It's just a couple of electronic pieces. If you're interested in that, please check out my other videos. And that's all of them together, just to give you an idea. And I know some people say, well, you're just silly doing that. Well, maybe I am, but I just wanted to share that I really thought this was a deal. There are some copycats out there. The one at Home Depot, the Husky, it's a nice little box. It does have a latch on it, which I like better than Harbor Freight's, but it's actually not built as heavy as this one. So if you've been on the fence about it, especially if it's right now, it's on sale for $15.99. Pick one up, see what specialty items you might want to put in it. Let us know in the comments what you're going to do with yours or the 2 or 3 that you buy. I know a lot of my listeners would like to hear this kind of stuff. So until the next video, y'all take care.